Good morning, sir. I am Patrick Lidy Castaneda and I will discuss institutional housekeeping. Institutional housekeeping refers to the practices and procedures involved in maintaining cleanliness, order, and sanitation in institutional or commercial setting. Cleaning and sanitizing. Surface cleaning. Dusting, wiping, and disinfecting surfaces like desks, table, counters, and etc. Floor care. Sweeping, mopping, vacuuming, and polishing floors. Restroom cleaning. Cleaning and sanitizing toilets, sinks, and fixtures. Window cleaning. Cleaning interior and exterior windows. Housekeeping department is a vital operational unit responsible for maintaining cleanliness, hygiene, order, and aesthetic appeal in facilities such as hotel, hospitals, office, school, and others institutions. Cleaning sanitization. Daily cleaning of rooms, floors, surface, and restroom. Deep cleaning. Carpets, upholstery, windows. Disinfecting of high touch of areas to prevent disease spread.